We don't need to lose any more degrees on the thermometer.
It's already low.
That's cold.
-5 to -15 in the canyons. Up in Park City, -15 to -25.
It's a cold run today.
Yeah, wind chill advisories are in effect for southwest Wyoming and also the Bear Lake County area. So that's for 20. We'll talk about that in a minute, but very, very cold. The wind's blowing, and that, along with temperatures in the teens, some of the mountains, did you look at the Wasatch Mountains? The snow was just blowing across the tops of those mountains, and the snow was drifting. It was a very, very cold day. It continues to be extremely cold. The potential tonight, as skies clear, as these winds diminish, that it could be the coldest night since January 22nd, 2008. When it was -2. Some areas where there's snow on the ground, it certainly could very well be that cold. Wind gusts 63 miles per hour in Centerville. We call this a mountain wave because the winds were stronger away from the canyons and away from the foothills. So a mountain wave did develop in the Davis County area and also Salt Lake County, and that's because the winds at mountaintop and also the canyon winds lined up. So very, very gusty winds and wind chills near the canyons tonight, 5 to 15 below. In the valley, 5 to 5 below. Park City, 15 to 30 below. Bear Lake, 30 to 40 below. And southwest Wyoming, 30 to 40 below zero. Those are dangerous wind chills. Your skin will actually freeze in 3 minutes if it's exposed to -40 wind chill. It is -9 without the wind in Rock Springs, 13 in Ogden, Salt Lake is 16 and dropping, 14 in Cedar City, even St. George starting to see the effects of this Arctic air. And it's going to stay with us for 2 days as the main storm pulls away and it turns into a huge snowstorm for Chicago. There's your jet stream carving out its niche over much of the central part of the country. We've put the maps into motion. There's really not much for us to talk about. It snows a bit around Albuquerque, some snow showers in southern portions of Colorado. Little storm system just sort of dribbles by into parts of Denver, Colorado on Thursday. We stay mostly sunny and very cold. Tonight's low in Vernal, 18 below zero. That's without the wind. And they've had those 30-mile-per-hour winds today. Wind chills in Vernal have been in the -20 to 25 range. A very, very cold day in Ashley Valley. 16 and -7 for Richfield. -3 and 20 in Cedar City, 39 and 19. Some of the palm trees will have trouble, and those water fountains that sometimes go all winter long, you want to turn them off tonight. 45 tomorrow, 50 on Friday, 56 Saturday. Very cold, 10 below in Logan. Could be some fog around Montpelier, 24 below zero. The schools close when it's 20 below zero in Montpelier. So in southeast Idaho, expect some school closures tonight. Now, we'll have a chance, believe it or not, as it warms up Saturday for some rain and snow showers. Sunday, a chance for snow showers, and then back to the 20s Monday and Tuesday as we're in a typical winter weather pattern. But that zero tonight, it hasn't been 0 or below 0 for 3 years. It hasn't been below 0. We've had 1 0 in the last 3 years.
Did we miss it? No, we did. We got along just fine.
We could have done without it again.
Bring in the cats and bring in the animals tonight, and if you have pipes that might be exposed, drip them.
Okay.
Some water.
Just might.